Do you want to do this without seeing this?
Well, I've got the video for you. So Ford, in all of their infinite wisdom, decided to put a plug on this car that will completely disable your stability and your traction control. So, you know, you can press and hold the little switch in the car and that'll disable it, but that doesn't fully disable it. This is called a dyno plug, and all you have to do is unplug it. And so it's located right here by your airbox. I think that's where it should be in everybody's cars. I don't know if I've relocated mine or not, but I'm pretty sure that that's where it should be. So if you really want to, you can pull it out. I'm not gonna do it, but you know, if you do need to move it. A buddy of mine had a JLT intake and it like completely covered this thing up. So in that scenario, I would probably move it somewhere else. But all you do, literally, oh, okay, all right, I just slid it straight off. So all you gotta do is pull or push on that little thing and pull it off. And that's it. So you take this thing and, you know, put it in your car, put it in your pocket, do whatever you want to do. And now, whenever I get in the car, what I'm gonna do. Open my garage. I do not want my exhaust to vibrate back into this house. Oh, there's people blocking my driveway. Okay, I didn't actually have to start my car, but those two lights are now off. That lets you know, hey, stability control is off, traction control is off. You don't have to worry about any of that now. So now if you go and you go do some donuts or, you know, whatever it is that you want to go do with your car, you know, you'll have less of a chance of, you know, throwing your wheel speed sensors out of whack or, you know, something like that. I mean, this is really meant to be able to put your car on the dyno and be able to get accurate readings. So doing this right here, it'll turn all that stuff off and you can go destroy your car in peace and have fun. So anyway, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. And if there's anything I can help out with, let me know. Please subscribe and please, you know, check out some more of my videos. I've got other helpful stuff. I've got some dumb stuff. I've got a little bit of everything. And then also I do have merch if you want to check that out. So I've got a really cool logo. And if you want to support one of your local, you know, Memphis-ish guys, that would mean a lot to me. That would be really cool. So anyway, guys, take it easy.